time for us to take those lines that separate each one of these individuals, and then it'll be one entire block. Just picture the pyramid, the back of that dollar. And you got a picture. See the little blocks?
Yes, sir.
See the top? See the separation?
Yes, sir.
The little blocks is us as individuals. Martin Jackson. Dr. Martin Luther King had a dream that we all be created equal.
Yes, sir.
And that we be judged by the content of our character,
Yes, sir.
not the color of our skin. The content of character has nothing to do with money.
Right.
That's the value. Your character is your value. This is fake, fictitious. This is paper. It's a paper product.
Burn it.
All of that. So again, let me get back to my point. Take away all the lines that separate us all. And then you got this just one solid four-sided. And it now just becomes the base of everything. One whole, because we are the foundation of it all. And now we are together larger than that. Because we all individuals. This is why the people up there can look down on us. Because they're like, man, y'all ain't together.
Right.
That's why they're looking down on us.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And we looking up at them. But they got us separated from them. That's why you can never get to the top. You can't get to the tip of your top because it's a separation.
Right.
But it's only separated because we down here at the base, the foundation, are separated. See, once we unite, it brings them down to our level because they like, oh shoot, they ain't got no choice but to come to our level. Because we are all together telling them, hey, the change is inevitable. The change is inevitable. Therefore, y'all can't do nothing but come down here. And now instead of the little glow you see around the top people, it glows around all of us. The entire pyramid. We the people are the pyramid.
We're preventing our own selves from being the pyramid. We're preventing the pyramid from being one whole by individualizing ourselves.
Yes, by falling victim.
By falling victim to being independent.
No, we ain't falling victim to being independent. We're falling victim to the division that's being created.
Division.
See, the system is working.
That's right. We need to stop.
We not working. See, we think we working. No, we slaves. Slaves all worked in the fields. The servants worked in the house. Who are the servants? That's your waiters and waitresses. Don't they call it the front of the house and the back of the house?
Front and back end, that's exactly what they call it.
Don't they go serve?
Yes, sir.
And then look at the owners, how much they pay them. A little of nothing. It's up for the people to support them.
Facts. Facts.
The owner of the business is like, no, we're going to give you less than what they say minimum wage is. You depend on the people. The people you serve. Well, we all are collectively serving the system.